I think. Yes, okay. I'm not wiring my lab mic back up. We'll just hang this thing here for the few minutes. Let me grab my switch that I packed up while we record the end of this here. The internet went out, and I had taken and put the clear kind of bigger hand grips back on here. They do have an edge back here, which kind of sucks, but it adds some thickness. So I put those back on, black and clear, rubberized, like a textured grip back here. I may take them back off, but the important part is we finished. And these ones, which appear latched, you can just push right off easy. They don't really latch at all. So yeah, we took the mechanism, the rails from those, and put them here on these Joy-Cons, and got this done right as the internet went out. We were putting the blue one back together, but I'd had this done, and I just did this after the internet went out, put these cases on. So the switch is all good. Let's turn it on and see. We'll check our, yeah, I don't need to turn airplane mode off. Yep, we're good to go. Okay. To bed you must go. So that's done. And it looks like our PlayStation has updated. Let's see what's happening. There shouldn't be any more system updates. I wonder if that can capture this audio. I really do. Let's try it. No. Let's try it. Properties. Let's see if it's capturing audio only. Use custom audio device. Anyhow, Arc is updated. Start. Loading. And I don't think there's any way to get... I just don't know. All maps. Searching for sessions, I'm sure. The fan's not even ramped up. You can't hear anything. This thing's just been on that entire time doing updates. So here we go. We got some servers coming up. When it finishes, we'll be able to go in and check. It's still counting, still showing up. Man, where is unofficial PC sessions, player dedicated, non-dedicated, official legacy. Let's official dedicated Arc. Let's try that. See if there's more people playing on official. Oh yeah, yeah. 7 out of 70, whatever. PvP. Small tribes. Certainly. I just want to get in game and see if the fan ramps up at all on this thing. Sorry, you can't really see it, but it is PlayStation 4 setting here. So far, so good. We ran the update. We didn't start it without the update. We actually ran the update and got it. This has been on for however long it was on in the stream plus now. So I'm going to say it's good. Going to say that it's good. But we'll see. We shall see. I have my doubts. Like, I believe it's good, but I also doubt everything that I do most of the time. And this is kind of like a monkey needs to see it to believe it type world. Come on, man. Are you loading? What's the deal here? Dang, that was quick. Okay. What's next? What's the next? I haven't played this game for so long. And I didn't play it with a controller or on a console. I played it on PC with a mouse and keyboard. It is putting a little warmer air out, but the fan's not ramping up. Not crashing. I could just randomize this, dude. Come on. Looks good. Let's go. Boom, boom. Certainly. Put me out there. Put me in the world. Let me go. Oh, you'll get to hear it through the TV. Through my mic. So weird controlling without a mouse, but it takes a minute to get used to. Yeah, big dude, I don't want nothing to do with you. I can't take you down right now. I'm cold, I got broken bone. What? It's been so long since I've seen this game. Anyhow, I'm going to say it's working. We did the update. We're playing. All right. Nice. he got some stuff. Luckily, we're not going to take any of it. It's so easy to build and do stuff in this world. Let's just close it and get out of here. I'm going to say it's working. Game's updated. I think, yeah, we can end it there. Can you... You can definitely self-service these things if you want to. And, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. You can self-service them and end up with good results. You just have to have everything that you need. I'm going to say in this case, part of the problem was the majority of the problem was the thermal paste not being on there. Got that resolved. That's just like a basic service. You need to put new thermal paste. Anytime you crack that, unless it's brand new, like you just put it on, but if you just put some on and you have to crack it again, it's just as easy to wipe it up and put new down so it's in the right spot where you need it. That's going to be your main thing that's going to help keep it cold if you do end up servicing one of these yourself. That, and you do run the risk of not putting the screws back in the right spot. And if you put some screws in the wrong spot on this, I believe you're going to run them into the motherboard and possibly run a screw through a component or two on this model. I know it'll happen on a Slim. I'm not certain about this model. Regardless, yeah. I mean, here it is, updated, working. The fan doesn't ramp up, it just stays at one steady rate, so I believe it's good to go. And we'll get this back to its owner, and they can report back if any issues, which I don't believe there will be. Alright people, as I always say, I'm going to upload this quick just to finish off the stream where it was cut off. You know, much love for coming and hanging out. I do appreciate it, clicking that link, leaving comments, interacting during the lives, if I do live streams, which is rare. I've done more lately than I have in a long time. But I do appreciate the interaction, commenting, you know, sharing it, participating in chat. It's a great thing. I love it. So, yeah, we'll see you in the next video. I got to take this to the owner. And, yeah, thank you. We'll see you soon.